Hello guys, welcome back to my tutorial. Today I'm going to show you the other conversion characters used in the printf code. I'm going to teach you how to use the %d, which stands for decimal integers, and %f, which stands for the floating point numbers. %d used when you need to display an integer, let's say for example an integer. In here we're going to erase this one and let's start a new code. Let's say number, and for now I'm going to use the %d. Now what we need to input here is not a string character because we are already done for the %s. %s works for string, so you need to remove this double quotation because this double quotation marks represents a string statement. So if you put a number inside this double quotation mark, it won't be read as an integer. So in order to run the program successfully, we need to remove the double quotation marks and we just put 9. So in here, when you run the program, you will see the program successfully run and it prints the number and it find the %d, which is 9. But what if you want to print a float number, let's say 3.1415? In order to run this or to display this float number, we need to use the %f, which is the floating point numbers. So when we run this program, you will see that it prints the number text and then print also the float program. Notice that the output has an extended double zeros because float data type represent the original float data types is originally has 6 decimal numbers printed. So in order to just print 4 decimal numbers, you need to add 0.4. So meaning when the program runs, the number text will display and the float code also displays, but only in the 4 decimal numbers. So when you run it, you will see that it removes the 2 zeros. So if you want to put just 2 decimal numbers, you just put 2 in here, 0.2f. So meaning it only displays the float number with only 2 decimal places. So when you run and display the program, you will just see the 3.14, only 2 decimal places. By the way guys, I'm going to show you another tips in displaying a string. So let's go to our hello world text again. Hello %s, and let's just say hello world. Let's just print it first. Okay, the tricks that I'm going to show you is by displaying the argument either all caps or small letters. When you see %small s, it displays the string with small letters. When we put big S, for example, and it will display the word text in all caps. Let's print C. It's just another tricks if you want to if you are lazy or something, you can use this to highlight all the arguments here and make it all caps. If you are, let's say, tired of repeating the whole text here and encoding it in all caps, you just can use the percent big S and printf. So that's it for this for this Java tutorial. In my next video, I'm going to show the mathematical operators based on the print and printf statement.